There's a little video of my Hypercube Evolution. 300 by 300 by 600. You can see how deep I can go with that. Got it out here on the table doing the fine tuning. Anybody that's built one of these knows what I'm talking about. A lot of little tweaks here and there to get things working right. Working on a pistol grip for a Fallout 10 millimeter. Had to put a fan on that motor, an X motor. Had to put a fan on the extruder. It was just giving me too much heat problems. Running a ramps board right now currently. I've got to upgrade to a duet Wi-Fi eventually here. Dual power supplies. That gives you a basic idea. Put some LEDs around the top, those are fun. I can't wait to print something really deep on this thing and see how she does. Got any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Thanks.